Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are fine. So, in last class, we have learned section 1, some basic information about sea turtle. Today, we are going to learn section 2. Between the months of January and March, female Ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them as a turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on land. Here, flippers, that means broad flat limbs used for swimming, which means the leg of sea turtle. Okay, then gracefully, which means beautifully, effortlessly, that means without hard work, easily. Okay, that is called effortlessly. Between the months of January and March, female Ridleys come ashore simultaneously at the night time to lay their eggs. So that time there is a problem for them because the front flippers is useful for swimming but not very useful for moving on land. It's difficult for sea turtle for moving on land. Okay, this is front flippers of sea turtle. See the next. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. Here it scoops out a nest cavity 45 centimeter deep into which it lays about 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of table tennis ball. Here, haul, that means pull with force. Laboriously, which means with great effort. High tide line. High tide line, which means a place where the sea had risen to its highest level, is called high tide line. Okay, then scoops means digging. Okay, digging out with a shovel is called scoops. Then cavity. Cavity means a hollow place is called cavity. Sea turtle come ashore laboriously, which means with great effort, because the front flip was only useful for swimming, not for walking. Okay. Then what they do? Sea turtle choose a spot away from high tide line. You can see the picture, high tide line. Okay. The sea turtle choose a spot which is away from high tide line. Then it digs out a nest cavity which is 45 centimeter deep, and after that it lays about 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of table tennis ball. Each egg is in the shape and size of table tennis ball. This is very important. Okay. See the next. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity. Then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. That done, it returns to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. Camouflage, that means hide. Tossing, tossing, which means throwing up. Incubate, that means to brood eggs. Warmth means state of being fierily hot is called warmth. After that, the sea turtles lay its eggs. They wanted to hide its eggs. For that, they use flippers. They throwing up sand on it by using its flippers. Immediately, the sea turtles return to the sea. Okay? And the eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. See the next paragraph. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of this turtle in its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs, and pigs to dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Those eggs that escape such people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. Predators, that means animals that kill other animals for food, is called predators. Hatch, that means to come out of an egg. To come out of an egg is called hatch. After the sea turtles leave the eggs are incubated under the warmth of the sun. That time, the local people follow the path of the turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Some predators like jackals, domestic dogs, and pigs, they also follow the scent of sea turtle nest and they dig it and eat the eggs. Only few eggs that escape from the predators and local people that hatch 45 to 60 days later. Hatch means to come out of an egg is called hatch. Okay. The eggs of sea turtle hatch 45 to 60 days. Okay, 45 to 60 days. The hatchlings meaning is the babies just hatched is called hatchling, newborn baby. Okay. The hatchling slash means cut. Open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tool. This is like a razor blade at the top of a hatchling's snout. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upward through the sand and emerge. Emerge means come out. Okay, on the surface of the beach. From here, they make a hurried dash to the sea. Hurried dash, that means quick run, is called hurried dash. The meaning of snout is pointed nose of an animal. Pointed nose of an animal is called snout. There is a difference between hatch and hatchling. Hatch means to come out of an egg, that is, produce young one from eggs. Hatchling meaning is the newborn sea turtle. The babies just hatched. Okay, that is called hatchling. The hatchlings, that means the newborn sea turtle, they cut the eggshells by using its tiny egg tooth. Egg tooth, that means a sharp structure on the beak is called egg tooth. So this is like a razor blade. This is like a razor blade, which is at the top of a hatchlings. Okay, this is at the top of a hatchling's snout. You know snout means a pointed nose of an animal. They push themselves upward through the sand, come out on the surface of the beach. Immediately they run to the sea. Glossaries, you have to study the glossaries, okay? Flippers, broad flat limbs used for swimming. Flippers, broad flat limbs used for swimming. Predators, animals that kill other animals for food. Predators, animals that kill other animals for food. Haul, pull with force. Haul means pull with force. Then slash, that means cut. Slash means cut. Laboriously, which means with great effort. Laboriously, with great effort. Snout, pointed nose of an animal. Snout means pointed nose of an animal. Cavity, a hollow space. Cavity means a hollow space. Emerge, come out. Emerge meaning is come out. Camouflage, that means hide or disguise something. Camouflage, hide or disguise something. Incubate, hatch eggs using warmth. Incubate, hatch eggs using warmth. Do you know? There is an interesting aspect of sea turtle biology. The temperature inside the egg determines the sex of the embryo while it is growing. When the eggs develop at the 27 degree to 28 degrees Celsius, only male hatchlings are produced. At 30 degrees Celsius, only female hatchlings are produced. An equal mix of male and female hatchling is produced only when the eggs incubate at precisely 29 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. Biology, that means the scientific study of living things. Embryo, which means the early stages of development before birth, is called embryo. There is an interesting fact of sea turtles biology. The temperature inside the eggs shows that whether it is male or female turtle. Okay, if it is 27 degree to 28 degrees Celsius, only male hatchlings are produced. At 30 degrees Celsius, we can expect only female hatchlings. Okay, when the eggs incubate exactly at 29 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, we can expect equal mix of male and female turtle is produced. Hope you all understand this section too. Thank you so much.